You have the blue. This is the Blue Studio Mini 2023. It looks like this. Cool texture on the background, and you unfortunately have forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. You didn't write it down. You don't know what to do. I will help you. Watch this. All right, we're going to have to power the phone off and reset it. So to power off, we're going to quick touch, power, and volume up at the exact same time. Brings up the power menu, and then we're going to power it off. Wait, I'm going to wait just a second. It gave me the confirmation that vibrated, and wait another 5 more seconds. And then to get to the Android recovery menu, we're going to now hold volume up and power at the same time. At the same time, 1, 2, 3, go. And then we're going to let go immediately when we see the blue logo right there. And then it just takes a few more seconds, and it's going to bring up the Fallen Android No Command. Now, a lot of people get stuck here. They don't know what to do. It's easy to get past this then to the Android recovery menu. And what we're going to do is we're going to hold the power button and then quick touch volume up like that. Here we go. Hold power button, quick touch volume up. There we are at the Android recovery menu. Now we can scroll down to wipe data factory reset with volume. Press OK with power. Keep in mind this will wipe all user data, everything. Pictures, contacts, apps. This cannot be undone. Scroll down one more time, factory data reset, press OK one more time with power. And then we're going to wait here for the data wipe to be complete. Could take a few minutes to just a few seconds. And now it's safe to reboot the system. Now, if you've set up your Blue phone with your Google or Gmail account or any other email account, especially if you've turned on the Find My Device security or any other security, you will still 100% need your Google or Gmail or other email login and password to then log back into the phone and use it again, and then reset your PIN, pattern, or password. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.